Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
How are you all?
Sir, fine.
Your tests are over?
Yes, sir. Sir, yesterday onwards.
Yesterday.
Yes, sir.
So, we are doing the chapter rounding numbers. Can you tell me till which exercise we have done the chapter?
Sir, we have done till 10,000 and 1 lakh. Sir, we have done. Sir, we were on the question of population.
Okay, we are doing exercise 15, sorry, 10.2. And we are doing question C, if I am not wrong.
Sir, it is, sir, 10.2 exercise is about to.
Okay, yesterday I had 2 periods in your class. In fifth C, I had no period yesterday. In fifth B, I had 2 periods. Okay. Do you like giving tests online or offline?
Sir, online.
Online is better.
Yes, sir.
So sitting at home and enjoying and giving the test. No worry, no tension. In 1 hour, the test is over. Huh? In less than 1 hour, the test gets over. But I also like taking test online. Online test is better.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, beta. How are you?
So today we have to do question 4 of 10.2.
Yeah. We have to do question 4 now. We are doing C, fourth part we have to do. Exercise 10.2. C, question 4. The question is, the dog is 5 years and 8 months old. The dog क्या होता है? The dog. A dog is 5 years, 8 months old. Round
Good
his
morning,
age.
sir.
Good morning, beta. To the nearest year. Okay. So,
Sir, 6 years.
yes, correct answer. Age of a dog is 5 years, 8 months. Okay. Now, in a year, can you tell me how many months are there in a year?
Sir, 12.
There are 12 months.
12.
So, 12 का half कितना होता है? What is the half of 12? It is 6.
Sir, 6.
6.
So this is more than 6. 8 months मतलब this is more than 6. So that means 5 years तो complete है और ये वाला जो that is half year से ज़्यादा है. Half year कितने हुए? 6 months. So if it is more than half year से ज़्यादा है. 8 months means more than half year. Okay. So if it is more than half year, that we can round it off to what? 6 years. we have to round off to the nearest year. That means the age of dog, we can say that it is 6 years. Okay. So you can write rounding
Okay,
off
sir.
to nearest year. Got it? Is it clear? It was easy.
Yes, sir.
Sir, done.
Fifth one, the height of a mountain is 7,562 meters. Round it to the nearest 100 and 1000. दोनों में करना है, nearest 100 and nearest 1000.
Sir, nearest 100 is 7,600 and sir, the nearest 1000 is 8,000.
Yes, very good. Correct. Height of a mountain. How much? 7,562. If you round off to nearest 100, it becomes 7,600 meters. And if you round off to nearest 1000, nearest 1000 में round off करेंगे, it becomes 8,000 meters. Clear?
Yes, sir.
8,000 मीटर का मतलब क्या होता है? 8 kilometers. The height of the mountain is 8 kilometers. Round off करके मतलब.
Sir, done.
Very good, beta. Let us start the next exercise.
Decimal rounding off.
So wait a minute.
Wait a minute. Amyan Duhan has not done. Wait a minute. Amyan Duhan is there in the meeting? Yes, he is there. Amyan? Amyan, beta, how are you?
Fine.
Fine. Do you know one thing? Do you know something? I want to tell you something. Do you already know it or not? हाँ, पहले से पता है. What? Amyan, beta, do you know that you are very cute?
Yes, sir.
Sir, yes, sir.
Ashfa is also very cute.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, I have done.
Very good. Bhakti is also very cute. Bhakti beta, please change your name, edit your name. I think it's your father. No. Bhakti is, yeah, it's correct. जो भरत है. भरत की तो मैंने आज तक शक्ल नहीं देखी. भरत, can you show me your face? Can you switch on the video, Bharat? Bharat beta. Okay, done. Let's start with exercise 10.3. Abhiyan done?
Yes,
Done it?
sir.
Okay. Exercise 10.3.
We
Question.
have to do it only in book.
Yes, again, you have to do this also in the book. So first one, we have to round off the given decimal number to the nearest whole number. Round off to the nearest whole number.
Sir,
Not
the
so
answer
often.
of first is 7.
You all know that 6.7 is a number that lies between two whole numbers 6 and 7. मालूम है आपको?
No, sir.
नहीं पता. 6 के बाद it is, if you write the decimal numbers, although you can write infinite decimal numbers between two whole numbers, but I am writing only those which are having only one decimal place. So 6 के बाद आता है 6.1, उसके बाद आता है 6.2, 6.3, 6.4, 6.5, 6.6, 6.7, फिर आएगा 6.8, 6.9, फिर आएगा 7. Okay. Do you all notice that these all decimal numbers lie between 6 and 7? सारे numbers जो हैं वो 6 और 7 के बीच में आते हैं. आपको मालूम है? All these decimal numbers. ये कभी बताया है किसी ने? कभी नहीं बताया किसी ने. अच्छा. These all these decimal numbers are between 6 and 7. For example, if I write decimal numbers between suppose 10 and 11, या फिर चलो दूसरे numbers ले लेंगे. Let's take 13 and 14. So 13, I am writing only those decimal numbers which have one decimal place. Okay. So 13 के बाद क्या आएगा? 13.1, then 13.2, then 13.3. ऐसे चलते रहेंगे. You will so on, keep on writing like this. Then in the end, you will get 13.9. In the end, 13.9, and then finally 14. Finally 14 will be. So all these numbers 13.1, 13.2, 13.3 up to 13.9, all these lie between 13 and 14. In fact, all the decimal numbers where 13 is the part which is there in the whole, or decimal wala jo part hai, there are two parts in a decimal number. You all will notice that there are two parts. This part is the whole number part. आपको मालूम है, the first part before decimal left hand side में जो होता है, this part is known as the whole number part, and this part is known as the decimal part of the number. तो whole number part से आपको पता चल जाता है that the number lie between which two whole numbers. ये number कौन से दो number के बीच में lie करता है? 6 and 7. Can you tell me, if I ask you, if I write a decimal number here, can you tell me that this number will lie between which two whole numbers? आप बता सकते हैं? I am writing the number here. 65.4. This number lies between which two decimal numbers? Sorry, which two whole numbers?
Sir, 6 and 5.
No.
Yes, sir.
No, beta. 65.4. What is the decimal part of the number?
65.
What is the decimal part of the number? नहीं पता, नहीं समझ में आया. No problem. थोड़ा और डिटेल में. वैसे तो this should have been told you in previous classes. थर्ड और फोर्थ क्लास में जरूर टीचर्स ने बताया होगा आपको. आप भूल गए हैं. आप कोई बात नहीं. So this part, जो पार्ट डेसिमल से पहले आता है, this part is known as the whole number part.
Yes.
This is the whole number part of the decimal number. This whole thing is known as a decimal number. Whole number part यहाँ पर क्या है? This is 65. 65 is the whole number part. And ये जो बचा हुआ है after decimal, this is known as the decimal part of the number. Decimal part. What is the
Sir,
decimal
I
part?
understood.
It is 4. Okay. So whole number
Yes,
part
Sir,
is
I
65.
understand.
Yes. So tell me the answer. This number lies between which two whole numbers? कौन से दो whole number
Sir,
के बीच में lies?
65.
हाँ.
Sir, 65 decimal 4. So 4 is not greater than 5 and it is lesser than 5. So it will be 65 decimal 0.
हाँ बेटा वो तो ठीक है. You are telling me the answer. बट मैं अभी वो नहीं पूछ रहा हूँ. मैं तो अभी क्वेश्चन में जो पूछ रहे हैं मैं उस पर तो आया नहीं. मैं अभी आई एम नॉट आस्किंग यू व्हाट इज द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. मैं सिर्फ इतना पूछ रहा हूँ. हाँ यस. दिस नंबर लाइज बिटवीन विच टू होल नंबर्स? 65 के बाद नेक्स्ट नंबर क्या आता है? होल नंबर नेक्स्ट होल नंबर क्या आता है? 66. 65 and 66. So the number lies between 65 and 66. Got it or not?
Yes, sir, got it.
अगर एक और पूछूंगा, will you be able to tell me? If I ask
yes,
one more?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So 71.8. It lies between which two whole numbers?
71 and
71
72.
and 72.
Very good. 71 and 72. Absolutely correct answer. Okay, 71 and 72. आ गया आपको? ये नंबर्स जो है इन दोनों के बीच में लाई कर रहे हैं. Okay, one more. If I ask you one more. Okay. 43.125. 43.125. Now there are 3 decimal places. This number lies between which two whole numbers?
Sir,
Sir,
42 and 43.
Sorry, beta. Can you tell me again?
Sir, 42 and 43.
9, not 42.
sir, 125 and 126.
No. Can you tell me, Ashwa? Can you tell me what is the decimal part of the number? Number का decimal part क्या है?
Sir, 125.
125 is the decimal part. What is the whole number part?
43.
43 is the whole number part. So this number will
Yes,
lie
sir.
between which two whole numbers? Very simple. 43 and 44.
हैं?
Simple.
Yes,
खाली
sir.
whole number part को देखना है आपको. Look at the whole number part only. आपको पता चल जाएगा it will lie between which two whole numbers. Clear है?
Okay, sir, I
Okay, sir.
understood.
Now clear.
Simple है. Doesn't matter कि how many decimal places are there. This does not matter at all. This number also is a number. This number is when you write all the decimal numbers between 43 and 44. This number will come in between these two numbers. Okay. मतलब ये number जो है आपका 43 से बड़ा है, but 44 से छोटा है. ये 44 से बड़ा number नहीं है. This number is not greater than 44. It is less than 44. मालूम है आपको? It is a number which is less than 44. So, but it is greater than 43. That means ये इन दोनों के बीच में ही तो आता है ये number. Okay. Do you all know how to compare decimal numbers and a whole number? आपने सीखा था ये? याद है आपको? अभी पीछे decimals जब आपने chapter पढ़ा था, तो you learned this that if I write a number 43.125 and I want to compare, मुझे greater than less than का sign लगाना है. Which two numbers between two numbers you have to compare? Which one is greater? Which one is smaller? Do you know how to do it?
Yes, sir.
क्या करेंगे यहाँ पर 44 के आगे decimal 0 0
Sir, we
0
will put 0.
you will put zeros after decimal 44 के बाद. Do you know this 44 and 44.000 are same thing? एक ही बात होती है. Okay. So now can
Yes,
you
sir.
tell me which number is greater, which is smaller?
44.
Sir,
44.000 is obviously greater than 43.125. Is it clear? So,
Yes,
and
sir.
if you
Yes, sir.
compare,
Yes, sir.
if you compare 43.125 and 43, अगर इन दोनों को कंपेयर करेंगे तो क्या होगा? 43.125 and 43, we'll put zeros here, 0.000. Now which is
43.
Sir, 43.
43.125 is greater.
Yes, sir.
43.125 is greater. That means ये नंबर 44 से छोटा है and 43 से बड़ा है. ये जो नंबर है 43.125, यानी कि can I say that this number lies between 43 and 44, इन दोनों के बीच में आता है. आप लोगों को समझ में आई ये बात? आज पहली बार समझ में आया होगा शायद, है ना?
Yes, sir.
चलो ये this knowledge you should have gained in your previous classes, third and fourth. कोई बात नहीं.
I could not understand the round offing of this decimal number.
What you have not understood, बेटा? Rounding off. Rounding off तो मैंने बताया ही नहीं है अभी. अभियान
No,
का
sir, before this, what you were saying?
What I was saying, तब तुम्हारा दिमाग rounding off में चल रहा था. I
No,
was
sir,
before comparing what I told. ये तो बता रहा हूँ. I told you you were rounding off the numbers that time. You were doing the exercise. Am I right or no?
Yes, sir.
देखिए 43.125
Yes, sir.
is the number. 43.125. This number मैंने सिर्फ इतना बताया. This number has whole number part and decimal part. Whole number part क्या है? 43 is the whole number part. So if you look at the whole number part, you will find out, you can easily find out that the number 43.125 is a number which lies between 43 and 44. इन दोनों के बीच में आता है. बस इतना हम लोग डिस्कस कर रहे थे. इतना ही मैंने बताया अभी तक. You can easily find out with the help of whole number part. Okay, clear है? If I ask you one more, एक और अच्छा last. Tell me the number lies between which two numbers, which two whole numbers? Last one. 24.00001. This number lies between which two whole numbers?
24 and 25.
Yes, sir. 24. 24.00002.
नहीं, whole numbers. Which two whole numbers? 24.0.
24 and 25.
24 and 25.
Yes, 24.
Yes, sir.
Whole number part is 24. So 24 और 24 के बाद next whole number क्या आता है? Whole number. This is known as whole number. Whole number होते हैं जिसमें decimal नहीं होता.
25.
24 and 25 इन दोनों के बीच में आएगा. Got it?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
this we can see in scales. Sir, so why do we will not check 23?
क्या 24.00001 अभी यही बता रहा था मैं कि 24.00001 ये 24 से बड़ा है. This number is greater than 24, but it is less than 25. इसीलिए 24 and 25, not 23. ठीक है? It is greater than 24, but less than 25.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now let's start doing the exercise. So 6.7, हमको पता है 6.7 is a number which lies between two whole numbers. कौन से दो whole numbers? 6 and 7.
6 and
अब 6.7, look at the first digit after decimal. आपको सिर्फ first digit को देखना है decimal के बाद first digit को. It is 7.
Okay, sir.
7 is greater than 5 or less than 5? It is greater
So
than 5.
greater than 5.
तो कहाँ जाएंगे?
Greater than 5.
राउंड ऑफ करेंगे और नेक्स्ट होल नंबर पे चले जाएंगे, पीछे वाले को क्रॉस करेंगे. सो व्हाट इज योर आंसर? आंसर इज 7. क्लियर? वेरी इजी. गॉट इट?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Let's do the second one also. 4.2. 4.2. बताओ कौन से दो नंबर्स के बीच में आएगा 4.2? Which two whole numbers? 4 and
4 and 5.
5.
5.
Look at the digit after decimal. First digit after decimal 2. 2 is less than 5 or greater
So
than
the
5?
answer is 4.
It is less than 5. So 4 is your answer. 5 is not your answer. Answer equals to 4. Clear hai? Easy hai? Just look at the
Sir,
first digit after decimal. Look at the seventh
Sir, I
one.
have done all.
Done all. Look at the seventh question also.
Sir, I understood. We have to see the decimal first digit.
Yes. Abhiyan has understood now. अब कोई नहीं रोक सकता अभियान.
And sir, अगर जो 20.5 is there.
जिस अभियान पे हम निकले हैं उस अभियान को कोई नहीं रोक पाएगा. 34.81, 34 and 35. 34 and 35. First digit 8. What is the first digit after decimal? It is 8. So 38 is greater than 5. That means answer is 35, not 34. Answer equals to 35.
Sir, I have done all. Sir, I have done.
Very good. Do all the parts, all of you.
Sir, done.
Sir, done.
B. Round off to 1 decimal place. So now question B, first part, you have to round off to 1 decimal place. 36.76 is the number. 36.76. So 36.76. So when I round off 36.76, ये दो options हैं यहाँ पर. If I have to remove, I have to write answer in only 1 decimal place. 2 की जगह 1 decimal place में answer लिखना है. So there are 2 options. Either it will be 36.7 or 36.8. इन दोनों में से कोई एक आंसर होगा. 6 को हटा देंगे यहाँ से, लास्ट डिजिट को हटा देंगे. लास्ट डिजिट को हटाने के बाद either it will be 36.7 or 36.8. 36.7 के बाद नेक्स्ट क्या आएगा? 36.8. ठीक है, तो इन दोनों में से कोई एक आंसर आएगा अगर ये डिजिट हटाएंगे तो. Now look at the digit. What is the digit? This is 6. 6 is greater than 5 or less than 5?
Sir, greater.
Greater than 5. So answer.
Sir, greater.
What is your
Sir,
answer?
we are.
Point.
Sir, I want to ask a question. 7 is also greater. Yes, sir.
आपको आंसर में से दोनों डेसिमल डिजिट्स नहीं हटानी है. You have to remove only 1 digit. एक ही डिजिट को हटाना है. Because you have to write answer in 1 decimal place. Yes.
Sir, we are starting a new chapter today.
अरे मत. Good morning. कौन है ये?
Sir, Shivam Patel.
Shivam Patel. Good morning. Welcome to the maths class. How are you?
Sir, I'm fine, sir. How are you?
I am fine, बेटा. तुम आए क्यों हो?
Sir, sir, for asking hi.
Last 2 minute भी नहीं बचे हैं. 1.5 minute is left in the class. And now you are joining the class and asking, आज हमने नया chapter start करा है. Wow.
Sir, I have done all three parts. I was gone somewhere.
Where? कहाँ गए थे सुबह?
Sir, I
क्या कुछ बिजनेस चल रहा है क्या तुम्हारा अपना पर्सनल? Bharat, stop laughing.
Yes, sir. Yes.
First of all, attend the classes in time regularly and be
Okay, sir.
punctual.
Okay, sir.
We are doing
Sir, I have done all B part question.
we are doing chapter 10. The name of the chapter is rounding numbers and we are doing exercise 10.3 third exercise कर रहे हैं. आज start नहीं करा हमने chapter. We are doing the third exercise of the chapter. Okay. चले गए 30 सेकंड को अभी है नहीं गया.
No, sir.
शिवम समझ में आ गया बेटा? We are doing the third
Yes, sir.
exercise.
Okay, sir.
So I don't think that we
I
will
have
do
done.
this question now because the time is over for the class. We will do this tomorrow. Okay. Bye bye all of you.
Bye, bye, sir.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye, bye, sir.